we'll take some 3 minutes break, and then we'll start our knowledge session. So let's begin, friends. 51 minutes. I won't start with any introduction. It's fully guided. So let's start. Let's begin.
Gently close your eyes. Take a moment and find your center, and slowly shift your awareness inwards. Become aware of your breath, and as you exhale, relax. And one more slow, steady breath in. As you breathe in, relax your face muscles. Let yourself visualize and feel the exhilaration of the new day ahead of you. And have a gentle smile on your face. And as you exhale, feel yourself relax, completely relax. Release any tension or anxiety that you may be holding in your body. Take another slow deep breath, and as you exhale, let go of all worries and stress. Time your attention seems to wander away, bring your awareness back to your nostrils and witness the tidal flow of each breath as you continue to calm your mind further. No matter what awaits you, there is no better preparation than a calm mind. Breathe. Feel going deeper and deeper within. Drift deeper. Sink further deep, and even deeper still. Hook on to your breath and feel your whole body sinking into the generous present moment. Put your awareness to the area of your heart. Allowing your breath to move in and out of this sacred center. Allow you to breathe in more deeply, more soundly, and more completely as you breathe from this creative center. Become aware of your feelings. Notice it. Sense it. Feel your feelings. As you continue to breathe from this creative center, open your heart. Know that it is safe to breathe. As you bring your attention of your chest, you activate this creative center furthermore with your attention. With every breath, you awaken your heart furthermore. Feel the expansion in your heart. Tune in to the pure positive energy of your inner being. As you rest your attention within the center. Your heart is a bridge that connects you to the source energy. As you dive deep into the core of your inner being, feel your connection to the source energy, as your source is the ultimate resource. creative center. It's time to bring a creative feeling like gratitude, appreciation, the joy of existence. Falling in love with life. Feeling worthy in this moment. Be thankful for all the wonderful things that you have in your life. Acknowledging the good that we already have is the foundation for all abundance. Feel the contentment, satisfaction, and fulfillment for all that you are blessed with. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Feel the appreciation in your heart for what you appreciates. A true appreciation to be alive in this moment, allowing the song of your soul to be heard and to be felt by all, and the energy of love being broadcasted into the field for the greatest good of all. This new day is a brand new beginning for you as you invite new opportunities and choices with each new day. The universe is full of possibilities and potentials and is eagerly waiting to align itself with the new you. And as I say the next few words, I encourage you to feel every word to the core of your being. Feel every emotion vibrating in each and every cell of your body. The new you stepping into the world today is filled with immense gratitude. Confidence, flexibility, openness, resilience, abundance, prosperity, friendliness, vitality, self-expression, passion, purpose, authenticity, higher wisdom, calmness, simplicity, empathy, detached awareness, freedom, adventure, cooperation, open-mindedness, synergy, forgiveness, love, humility, and kindness. There is nothing missing in you. All that you need is alive in you. As you respond to every call that excites your spirit, remember this feeling. As you chase the feeling, not the experiences. Soak yourself into this feeling and remember it by heart. And now it's time to be defined by a vision of the future instead of the memories of the past, and to move into a new state of being. It's time to create reality from a greater dimension. What was that vision of the future that awaits you? It's time to select that potential that already exists in the quantum field. Imagine it in your mind embody that future now. Feel yourself right into it. Give it all the tones and sensory vividness of reality as if it's happening now. Open, blank canvas of today is yours to paint on. Choose your colors wisely and begin to paint your vision into reality. This vision is not separate from you. Let the images come to you. And feel the feelings of your desires being fulfilled now. Combine your clear intention with an elevated emotion. How would you feel if your dreams come true? Focus on this elevated feeling as what you feel about you bring about. This experience is not outside of you. It is you. Become the vision. Visualize and emotionalize. Let your goals be emotional goals as your vibration always precedes manifestation. Drop the resistance, not the desire. touch your body emotionally, how that future feels like, and move into a new state of being. As you change your energy, you change your life. Come on, open your heart and let your body respond to a new mind. It's time to step into that future now. Treat yourself as you already have it. Treat yourself as you already are what you would like to become. If you believe you deserve it, the universe will serve it. What choices will you make today? And what behaviors would you demonstrate? What experience awaits you? And how will they feel? Stay in this feeling. When you are thinking, you are in an asking mode. Only when you are feeling, you are in a receiving mode. Feeling a state produces that state. Feel the thrill and exhilaration of creating the life you desire. You are no longer bound by your limitations, fears, and insecurities. It's time to remind yourself of what choices will you not make. What behaviors will you no longer demonstrate? What experiences will you stay away from? And what emotions and feelings will you no longer embrace that will cause you to return back to your familiar old self? Wisdom is to avoid all thoughts that weaken you and embrace thoughts that empower you. Remember, if it does not evolve you, it does not involve you. become the observer from a greater level of mind. Today, you will be a host to your future and not a hostage to your past. And now, Divine One, sentient being, creator of destiny, center yourself by taking your hands and place it over your beautiful heart, your soul, and feel immense compassion, care, and kindness towards your beautiful self. Give thanks for a new day, a new you, and a new life. And the longer you feel grateful, the more you draw your new life to you. Tune in to this feeling of gratitude and excitement. As gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership. Allow yourself to let this feeling of gratitude grow as I take you through inspiring affirmations to prime you for your new day. You are welcome to repeat these affirmations in your mind as I say them. Today is a great day, the best day of my life. My day is filled with incredible opportunities. I embrace the present without any resistance. I am in a state of acceptance and allowance. Love is the basis of all my emotions. Everything is always working out for me. The universe is aligned in my favor. I attract things and people for my highest good. I am vibrating at my highest potential and achieving all my goals with effortless ease. I don't chase, I attract. What belongs to me will find me. I'm filled with vital energy. Every day I'm getting younger and younger as my age is getting reversed. I am a wellness producing machine 24/7. I share a deep and special bond with family and friends. I enjoy the freedom that comes to me when I don't take things personally. Money flows into my life freely and abundantly. I am fabulously wealthy. I have a mastery of self-control over my thoughts and feelings. As a change of feeling is a change of destiny. I am aware that potential is always bigger than problems. Not to you. Let your vision be more vivid than your current reality, so that the action is inspired by your vision and not from the current state. You are a unique expression of the infinite. Your life matters. You are born for a reason, not for the season. Ask, what is your gift to share? Ask the universe, how can I serve you? Rather than asking, what is in it for me? And then the universe will serve you. And now, Divine One, as you emulated the divine today and made contact with it, ask for a sign from this higher consciousness, from this loving intelligence, that it manifests your dreams in a way that you least expect, that surprises you and leaves no doubt that it came from the higher mind, and leaves you in a state of awe and wonderment. Breathe, feel, smile, and radiate your love into life. And receive the love from all of life. Be inspired. Be lifted. Feel invincible. Feel empowered. Feel magnificent. Remember this feeling in your heart. Memorize this feeling. Treasure this feeling and remember it by heart.
my past and celebrate who I've become. I am beautiful, I am powerful, and I celebrate who I am. I am beautiful, I am powerful, I've let go of my past and celebrate who I've become. I am beautiful, I am powerful, and I celebrate who I am. I am beautiful, I am powerful, I've let go of my past and celebrate who I've become. I am beautiful.
And now, with a smile on your face, bring your awareness back to a new body, to a new environment, in a whole new world, and a whole new time. Thank you for giving me the privilege to be the part of the very start of your day. Immense gratitude for trusting me with your day. Whenever you're ready, you may gently rub your palms and place them over your beautiful eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly open your eyes and come back to this three-dimensional reality. Take your time and slowly come back, feeling refreshed and inspired. Thank you for your time. Have a glorious day. Make your life a masterpiece, my friend. Be remarkable.
Hi, welcome back, friends. Hope you've all come back feeling invincible, empowered, and magnificent. And Shreans, please take over from here.
Thank you, all of you, friends. Keshav, can you open the chat for everyone? And yes, so thank you, friends. We'll take a 3 minutes break and then we'll start the session.
Sure, absolutely.
Thank you.
See you all in 3 minutes.
All the beautiful messages on the chat. Thank you.
Yeah.
Begging us, please. begging us, please stop listening to greed. She sent the drought to warn us. She sent the storms to scold us. But we don't listen. We burn and we break and we take and we take and we take till it's too late. Oh, where did the beasts go? Where did the trees go? Where will man go when he has lost the heart beat beneath his feet? Oh, this is our home. She gives us home, Mother Earth. Can you feel her heart beat beneath your feet? Heart beat beneath your feet. Heart beat beneath your feet. Listen to the animals, listen to the trees, listen to the spirits of the earth begging us, please stop listening to greed. Listen to the rivers, listen to the sea, listen to the spirits of the deep. Stop listening to greed. Listen to the animals, listen to the trees, listen to the spirits of the earth begging us, please stop listening to greed. Listen to the rivers, listen to the sea, listen to the spirits of the deep begging us, please stop listening to greed.
Thank you, friends. Welcome back. So, Nafki, if you permit, we can start.
Let's please go ahead. I'm actually looking forward to
All right.
revise this. Yeah.
So, friends, we've been hearing how we, especially in India, we always say, "Jaisa an vaisa man." Your foods creates moods. So, the kind of food we eat has a profound impact on our emotions, on how you think, how you feel, on your gut, on your microbiomes in your gut. So today I'm going to share with you a few of the scientific, from a very scientific perspective, how food has an impact on your body, on your gut, on your thoughts, on your emotions. And as we know, what we feel about is what you bring about in your life. And food is such an important part of our life. And so today I'm going to share with you some information, and I'll start with a video by Bruce Lipton. He's a founder of epigenetics, who discovered epigenetics 45 years back, and he made a short video on how our food has an impact on our body. So let's share this video, and then I will talk about it. Let's begin.
Welcome to the bowels of my laboratory. Today, I got a great story for you. Many times science is just about minutiae details that are totally uninteresting to the general public. But I have an article today that is going to change the world. And it's about a new understanding of what is called microRNAs. Okay, now don't go away yet. It's not that serious. Let me just tell you about it. Here's what it's all about. Once, a long time ago, we thought that genes controlled life. And then there new research that information that I was pioneering over 45 years ago, my stem cell cultures, have now revealed a new science of genetics called epigenetics, which simply means epi above, genetics above genetics, information and control above genetics. We find that the environment is translated by the cell, and that environmental information is then used to select and activate the genes. So this is really cool, and this is epigenetics, and yet we find out, well, what is it that actually alters the readout of the genes? Well, that's where the microRNAs come in. Now we find that the microRNAs are actually epigenetic mechanisms. The microRNAs bind to the chromosomes and alter the readout of the genes, so that a single gene program can be modified to create thousands of different kinds of proteins from the same blueprint based on this epigenetic modification. For the longest time, we thought if we just eat food, our digestive system breaks down that food, and the cooking will break down living things, or freezing and all that will neutralize all the aspects of the food so that we can use just food as building blocks. However, something new was found, and this is about the microRNA. It turns out that the microRNA molecules in the food we eat is picked up by our digestive system and transferred to our own cells and regulates our own genetics. So all of a sudden, the concept of what you eat, you become, actually has a scientific foundation to it. It says that we alter our own genetic readout by the food we eat. This study by Valchereau and Choupeau, we're studying the uptake of microRNAs from rice in diets of an Asian diet. And what they found was that the microRNAs were not broken down in the digestive system. They were picked up intact from the food, transported across the wall of the gut, and then they enter the blood of our biology, our body. Well, this becomes really, really relevant in a world where we are now playing with genetically modified foods, because we're going to be picking up epigenetic microRNAs that we have no knowledge about, that have never really been in our diet or on our planet before. What is the consequence of altering our genetics with unknown microRNAs? Well, we're soon going to find out about that. And here's a very important point about the microRNAs. No matter if you cook the food, you freeze the food, the microRNAs are very small molecules and very stable. And these molecules don't break down, so that you always are getting active genetic regulating molecules from the food you eat. Good idea now to think about, what are you eating? And the whole concept really says, for the better world and the better of humanity and the better health for yourself, we must return back to more natural foods, eating organic foods whenever possible, eating foods that are not grown in petrochemical environments, because those chemical informations from the petrochemicals alter the genetic readout, which in turn alters the microRNAs. The food you eat has a profound influence on your biology, your genetics, and your health. And now we find that this is not just an idea like, oh, I really think that happens. Now it's a scientific fact. We know that information molecules from food are picked up by our digestive system, and those molecules enter our bloodstream and then subsequently affect our genetics. With that awareness, think before you eat. Eat carefully. Take care of yourself. Return to the more natural foods, because this is the food that created humanity and the health that we all aspire to. Thank you.
So interesting. So the research says that the microRNAs, they are the information molecule which is already there in your food. And no matter whether you cook the food, whether you freeze the food, no matter even if you digest the food, the microRNAs are a very stable information molecule. And this is passed on to our bloodstream through our gut. And it changes, and it influences the genetic expression of our genes. So depending on the diet we eat, depending on the information molecule of the food we are eating, that eventually that influences the expression of our genes. So that's why it is so important to have a right food, have a food which he says about plant-based diet and organic foods, pesticide-free foods, and healthy foods, fresh foods. fresh cooked foods. So all these things has an important. Now it has a very scientific basis, right? So, but the truth is, our taste buds has been hijacked by these big food companies, right? We have now been addicted to all these packaged foods. Earlier, as there were no stores next to our houses, right? There were no packaged foods in the stores. But since as modern trade developed, now we are after every 4 houses, 5 houses, there's a store. These stores keep all this packaged food, and which is all controlled by these big food companies. And so the truth is, they don't care whether it is healthy for you or not. What is important is that what is it addictive to your taste buds? So in fact, we have become hostages to our taste buds. And Hippocrates in earlier, Hippocrates, the founder of modern medicine, modern allopathy, he says, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine by that food." Right? So there are a lot of important information I'm going to share in terms of how our gut how food has an impact on our gut, and then how gut influences our emotions, our mood, our brain, and our brain influences our gut. So, and most of the time when we eat wrong food, our body gets stressed because body has to work harder to compensate. Right, so it is very important to have the right choice of food, and I'm going to share more scientifically today. So before I get into the microbiome, the gut-brain connection, and the brain-gut connection, and the microbiomes in our gut, now I want to share with you a short, very very small video, just of 2 minutes, though it is not very pleasant to see. And in this video, I'm going to show you the emotional anatomy of an animal-based diet. So here, when somebody took a video of how when the animals are being farmed, when the animals are being reared, right? What emotions do they go through? How they are being treated? And while watching this video, just keep in mind what are the emotions this animal must be going through while being farmed like that. In fact, we use a very commercial term, farming. We don't even consider them as any living beings. Is farming, right? So even when we talk about a lot of times when we talk about fishing and fishes, I mean, commercial terms, we say fish farm, animal farm, as if it's an object. We talk about it in terms of weight, tons. We don't talk about it in terms of how many lives it is. So this is how we have changed our language, the way we look at it. And let's see this video, and then we'll talk about this further.